Good morning, and what is today? Oh, it's the 21st. Today I've got the musical stuff after school for the Princess and the Pea. I'm having a little meeting for those students who are interested in performing. I'm going to be telling them where the cuts are, the audition, running through parts of it, just talking about my expectations for the musical. And I hope it'll go well. Yesterday at school though, I didn't tell you this, I had so much fun doing the stuff that I got from TMEA. And I had kids that weren't doing what they needed to do, don't get me wrong, but I was just doing what I love to do, and I wasn't making it just focus strictly on like rhythms where it's sitting down and like saying this is this, this is that, now let's practice it. And it was just the playing. And I know playing is more fun and you learn more when you play, especially as a child. So I just have to ground myself and remind myself, one, why did I want to become a teacher? Two, why music? And music because it's so much fun, and it gives an outlet to those students who maybe other subjects they're not so good at, and they can express themselves in music where they might not be able to express themselves otherwise. Anyway, I could talk forever, but I've got to get ready for work and go. So I'll see you guys when I get home.
Hey Sarah, you're nice and comfy here laying with Winston. Oh my goodness, you're too cute! Well, I have to go get some water from the garage. And no, doggies, no. Oh my goodness. So much rain. Are you kidding me? It's super flooded. How am I gonna... walk with my heels. Our toys are floating. Look at this. It's just floating. Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna pick this up. Water's in here though. This is so much water. And like every time I sweep the garage, more dirt just comes in because of all the water. It's like totally hopeless. Oh, I hate my garage. Well, at least we have a garage, right? I guess. This is strange. You probably can't see it, but it's like yellow outside. Huh. Yeah, and it's been about that bright the entire day. It's so weird, it's like yellow. Kind of cool. We just had dinner. Sarah is asleep right now. She's taking a break from terrorizing the dog. It's been a good day.
If only she sleeps through the night.
Yeah, we'll see if she sleeps through the night.
Last night was terrible again.
Yeah. Alright, little Ellie. You too, Winston. It's time for bed. You'll be good, okay? I'll see you in the morning, alright? You'll be good. Bye. See you tomorrow, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.